attention. What happens if you don't pay attention? That's what happens. That's what happens. Show these folks how we do it. Here we go now. That was good. That was good. Watch this, brother. Watch this. Ready? Here we go. Sit down. Oh yeah, that's smooth. That's good. Yeah! That was it. That was it. Oh, that was good. You like that? You like that? You didn't lie. Are you kidding me? That was tight. That was really, and you can do better. They do not sound convinced. Go ahead. Show us what you got. Go ahead. Go ahead. That was barely appropriate. That's it. Boo! They didn't like it. They didn't dig it. What? No! No! Don't you bring that over here. You got no business over here. Don't you do it, brother. Don't you do it. Oh! Did he get you? Did he get you? Come here, brother. Come here. Come here. Don't take that from here. Take this. Put your hand right there. 1, 2, 3. Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Yeah! Oh, that was so good to see you alive. Where have you been?
Feast your eyes on this.
It's your turn. How'd you come by it?
Listen, I've been to dry land.
Dry land's a myth.
No, it's not a myth. I've been there. It's our salvation. We can all start new lives on dry land. But we have to hurry. The deacon and his smokers are after me.
Smokers in the distance!
Battle stations! Mark, sound the alarm! Helen, the tower, hurry! Secure the atoll! We're safe behind these walls. Protect the gates. Go, hurry! They've got a seaplane! Mark! Mark! Where is it?
They're coming from the south!
Down!
Right to the wall!
Ready the water cannon! Smokers! Force them to me! Get those gates! They're trapped! Hey! Look out!
He's going through the gate!
Stop him! You're too late, brother! Get out of there! Get back now! No! Cover! Ellen! High side! Seaplane, 2 o'clock!
He's coming!
Jump! Smoker! Smoker!
Outside! Hey! Where do you think you're going?
No!
Send the deacon!
now, who's got that golf ball? Hold it. What? No. We might actually need these people. Here, bag this. Brothers and sisters!
Hey! Do you hear them? They are not your brothers and sisters. These are my people!
Shut him up!
Huh? Nobody shuts me up.
Shut up! Where was I? Desolate children, you poor lost souls on this big floating pile of sheet metal. The provider has spoken, and he has told me personally that somebody here knows the way to dry land. Yes, my flock, dry land, and we are going to pay it for that. Tax it and tide it. Sweet Joe above, we are going to use it. Cruise it, drill it, fill it, and fill an 18-hole monument for my beloved Sarah.
You'll never find dry land, Deacon. I won't let you, and neither will the mariner.
Marin! Hey, Chuck, close them gates. You talk about that half-man, half-fish boyfriend of yours. The guy that poked out my eye.
Yeah. You talking about the fishing? Ooh, the fishing. The fishing.
Bring it here. Now. Smoke. I was being nice, but you want to play games. That's fine, let's play. Watch her. What do you got, boys?
She got an Atoll, and he's got dirt.
Dirt! Helen, that guy's got dirt! I need to know the way to dry land! So we're gonna play the one who talks first lives.
You leave him alone. He doesn't know anything.
Well, that makes you the winner.
Don't tell that monster anything, Helen.
He's a loser! Drop him! Fun game, right? You're gonna tell me the way to dry land. Oh, you're next?
That gear approaching at high speed.
Shoot him, Chuck! my plans for dryland. You're a freak. You're a gill-necked, mutated freak! Chuck, I need a weapon now. Now! Yo, give me a weapon, now! Weapon! Go!
Hey, boss! How about this?
All right, fish boy, let's go, you and me. Mano y muto. Come on, baby. Come on. That's right. Let's sacrifice one whole St. Joe.
No, no! Hey! You've got something on your face! You've got something on your face! I think we got it!
Oh, Helen! There's something on your back. How is it possible that he is still alive? Go make him dead, Chuck. I'll take care of the mutant. Yes! Shut your mouth! You better duck, cousin! Adios, cousin. All right, fish boy. Enough of these games. I got something here with a bit more kick. Look at what I found there in a big Bertha. Oh, I spliced into the water hazard. Head to spare, fish boy. Stand in one spot. Whoa, almost, baby. Oh no! You using Chuck as a shield. Chuck, you're fired. Yes! Winner! Shut up! Oh no, oh Helen. Oh golly gee, a single tear rolls down my cheek. Somebody signal my seaplane. Well, how do you like that, my man? Dead. Good. My thoughts exactly. See that ladder? Climb. Now! I got a brand new vision. This is gonna be my pilgrimage to dry land, Helen. It's time to start fresh. On dry land. Only one problem, Helen. I still don't know where it is. So you're gonna tell me. And you're gonna tell me now.
All right, come here.
Yeah? What? No! Oh! I don't think so! My name is DJ! Sit down, boy! Woman! You go past. I'll get the plane. Murder! Fish can't climb ladders, honey. Bring her in, boys!
I'll get the box!
Oh, no, you won't. You're not going anywhere, Helen. Somebody put a hole in your boat.
Stop him!
What? Give me that. Oh! No! That was my seaplane! How many times do I have to kill you? Pull up! Pull up! Shot down my seaplane. You think you won? I got your woman. I killed your friends. Who's gonna stop me now? You? I don't think so. You don't have a leg to stand on.
No!
Yes! Hi, Deacon of WaterWorld, celebrate the birth of a new nation!
No!
Dry land is my destiny!
Hey! Deacon!
Hey, what? No, 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 wow, wow! You, I'm taking you with me!
Okay, get engaged!
civilization may start anew on dry land, while the mariner roams the 4 points of the compass on the endless seas of WaterWorld.
Ladies and gentlemen, the cast of WaterWorld.
Thank you! You might recognize our cast from their work in film and television. From American Horror Story, Alex Smith. From How to Get Away with Murder, Lon Gowan. From Lethal Weapon, Huck Long. From Unsolved, Omar Hayward. From Divergent B, Alex McGlade. The man who did that amazing 45-foot fire dive from SWAT, Chad Mason. Our heroes from 911, the lovely Brittany Sue Video. And from Ouija 2, your mariner, Brad Kai, Florida. You can see me in Newsroom. My name is Todd Elliott. Thank you. Next coming out, Universal Studios, Hollywood.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're pleased you enjoyed WaterWorld. In order to prepare for the next performance, we ask that you please exit the arena as soon as possible. If you would like to meet the WaterWorld cast, you'll find them by the main entrance as you exit the left side of the arena. Thank you.